Okay, so in this video we're going to start programming in Go. As you can see, I have my text editor of choice right here. It's Visual Studio Code. In case you want to get it, it's in the description, compatible with Windows, Linux and Mac, and I honestly really like it. Obviously compatible with Go and so many different languages. But that's enough of Visual Studio Code. Let's get started with Go. So a Go program, if we actually save this, ends with a .go extension. Okay, so let's actually go into our workspace. I've actually reverted back to my original workspace, but you should still have the original Go workspace which we created in the previous video, and I'm going to go to mine, which is right here, if I can find it. Here we go. You want to go into source. You can create a folder in it and call this my code, and here we're going to save this as main.go. So all Go files end with a .go. Okay, and as you can see, Visual Studio Code has recognized the language. So to start off with Go, we need to just type in package main. We're going to import fmt. I'm going to explain all of this in 1 second. Function main fmt print line hello world. Okay, so this is probably the most basic Go program you can get. Pretty much all main Go programs are enclosed in some sort of package. In this case, we're calling it package main. This is the convention. All main packages are treated as like the main executable where the program actually starts. So whenever you're creating, let's say, a code file, a program in one file, which you're going to execute, you'd usually use package main and close it into this main package, which is kind of like a wrapper where you're going to store your code. Obviously, I'll go into this in more detail further down the line. The next line of code is an import statement. This is basically fetching other code files predefined with Go, so created by the Go language creators, and this is the FMT, which stands for format library. And what this does, it gives you access to so many basic commands such as printing to the console, which is probably the most basic example. Okay, next we have the main function. If you come from other programming languages, you probably know what the main function is, but if not, the main function is what the program first looks for when running. So the compiler is going to look through all of your code until it finds the main function and start there. So it's your program's starting point in a way, and anything inside the function will be executed. Okay, so once we're inside the main function, in between these curly braces, we have a fmt.println. What this does, it's referencing the fmt package we've imported up here, and accessing a function inside that package, which is the println, and whatever you pass in between the parentheses is going to be printed, displayed on the console. So it can be a string, which is text, it could be a number, it could be mathematical division, operation, sorry, or division, but we're just going to have it hello world, the classic hello world program. And to run this, we're going to open up a terminal. So let me just get that open. Okay. And what we want to do is navigate to this directory. And what I like about Visual Studio, it tells you the directory of the file you're working on up here. So we could just do cd/users/alexcons/go workspace/src, and if I do ls to list all the files, you see I have all my folders where all my code goes. We created the my code, so we're going to cd into, and once we're in my code, if we ls again, we see that we found the main go. And to run it, what you want to do is simply run go space run main.go, so the name of the file, and if you hit enter, it should compile, and there you go, hello world. Your first Go program works successfully. The next video will go more into depth. We'll start with variables, different data types, etc. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.